right now I'm at the Mumbai airport waiting for my flight to take off. Hope it's not too delayed. I shall wait, play a few games, probably check my email, do some other work, and then wait for the flight to take off. Delhi, here I come. Hello, so we have reached Delhi, the Taj Palace, and the event is about to begin in some time. I think it's delayed by a few minutes, but I've quickly got a change of clothes, and I just changed my blazer, that's it, nothing more, and quickly freshened up, like a bold lipstick was used, and I just got my winged eyeliner done, and ta-da, I was ready. Let's see if we can eat something. I'm not too hungry, but probably I'll opt for a glass of refreshing juice or something. It's very, very hot.
As you know, bridal fashion is all about aesthetics, perfection, precision, and craftsmanship, which is what BMW employs. Our research formed the basis to identify key platforms of engagement with our esteemed clientele. Weddings and bridal fashion are very important social, cultural platforms.
Please welcome Shantanu and Nikhil. Please put your hands together for Shane and Falguni. Happy body.
You're the only thing I wanna touch. Never knew that it could mean so much.
The unmistakable Gauri Nerika. And the gorgeous work of Abu Sandeep. Sonakshi Sinha, the ambassador of BMW India Bridal Fashion Week 2015, and the new BMW 6 Series Grand Coupe, a perfect amalgamation
So we are finally at the BMW 6 launch, the Grand Coupe, and the car is here. It looks fantastic. Let me give you a glimpse of it and turn the camera. You to see what the car looks like. It's absolutely sexy. Yes, sexy is the word, and I really love the color, and I'm going to give you a sneak peek into what the interiors look like. So currently I'm sitting inside the Grand Coupe. I don't know if I'm gonna get a chance to sit again, but the car looks absolutely magnificent. It's stunning, it's amazing, and I'm gonna give you a sneak peek of what else this car is all about. So this is what the interiors look like. There are other people checking out the car as well, so you will see lots of other people sitting inside the car, probably taking pictures, etc. But this is one hot and sexy car. So now that the event is over, I'm waiting. I'm spending some time editing vlogs, updating all my photographs and all these tweets and Facebook posts across all the social media platforms. I have a bad cold and I have no idea why that has happened. Okay, probably that's because of the climate or the weather, I have no idea. So I was advised that I should go to Sarojini Nagar because it's a little close to this venue. I'm at Taj Palace, but the weather outside is really bad, and some of them suggested that I shouldn't step out because if I do, I'll end up with a sunstroke, and I don't think I want to fall sick on a weekend which is filled with work. So dear Sarojini Nagar, I shall come back probably on another trip purely for the amazing shopping opportunities that you have. I'm quite looking forward to the Bridal Fashion Week, which is going to happen in Mumbai from August 13th to 16th or 17th if I'm not wrong. I'll give you updates on that, of course. You'll keep having a lot of interviews and pre-event updates coming up on the blog. Bid goodbye to Taj Palace Hotels, and we shall be proceeding towards the airport right now. But bye Delhi, thank you for being awesome, and let's see how the trip ahead goes. I'm coming, Mumbai! Check-ins have been done and I'm proceeding towards the departure gate. It seems the Delhi International Airport has quite a lot of stores and it looks quite fancy, though I must say the Mumbai T2 International Airport looks fantastic. There are a lot of food options as well, but I'm not really hungry, so I might probably look for a cup of coffee because I have a sore throat and a very bad cold. So let's see if I can spot Starbucks or something and have some hot chocolate. If I don't get hot chocolate, I might opt for chocolates. Let's see. So I'm walking towards gate 51. That's where my Vistara flight is gonna be. Ta-da! So I got this buy one get one free offer where I picked up 2 chocolates. One is dark and the other one is, I think, a dark crunchy almond. I really like this. I'm excited to get back to Mumbai. I need sleep. I have been sleepless for over 48 hours right now. So, and I can't sleep while traveling. You all know that. If you didn't, now you know. So quite an exciting day. I had great fun, and today's exciting journey has left me wanting more, and I think I should be back for another trip with my family very soon.
going to Mumbai, back to my city, back to my home.
All remaining passengers to Mumbai are now reporting.
Hello, so we are inside the flight, and if you've been following my updates on Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram and on YouTube, you must have noticed that I'm flying by Vistara, Air Vistara. It was launched just recently, so I'll see you at the other end as soon as I hit T2, Terminal 2 at Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport. Ciao for now. We are back to Mumbai, totally worn out. I have a bad cold. I have sneezed some 50 times while traveling. And you can see my condition. Look at my eyes. The kajal smudged out. I didn't know what to do. But we have arrived at the T2 International Airport. And I'm back to the city of joy, my hometown, Mumbai.